Yes, you got it, bro. You got it. ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
Where, bro? I can't see.
ಅವನು ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಬಾ. One step ಅಲ್ಲಿ it will run away. If you come early in the morning, no, you'll get a crazy shot, bro.
Oh,
And
the
it looks
green
like
one,
it's
no?
something- Yeah, it's a green wine snake.
Spotted, bro.
It's called the Ahitulla nasuta.
See that green?
Hiding. Is it venomous?
They're mildly venomous. They can kill in like frogs and birds,
Okay.
smaller birds, nothing on human level.
I can't see its face.
It's moving. How long do they stay like this?
This is how they sleep, bro. So what happens if you want to spot a snake in the wild? The easiest way to find them is, can I just tell you the market? The easiest way to find it is when a snake is traveling from the forest, no?
Okay.
Let's imagine it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
It would come here
Okay.
and they would become, if the snake wants to go to that side, no?
Okay.
It would never cross this path.
Right.
Because then it is completely exposed to a bird of prey. So it will go to this corner, go to that edge, go all the way there, go all the way there, and then move. So
Think
whenever
like a
you
snake,
need to
huh?
see a snake, you always find a path where it's pretty open like this, and look at the edges of that.
Okay.
So when they come in the evening, they tend to wait there, so it becomes darker, so that they can move, or so that's how it's easy. We are in a safe spot, and it's easy to see the snakes in the edge of the forest. So if I want to look for snakes, I'll always go like this around, because I know they'll be waiting somewhere here to take a call. They would never be here. Even if I look for the next 5 years looking here, very rarely if there is a night and a frog or a rat is moved, the snake would move this path. Otherwise they would never.
Oh, this is stone.
I usually love it like this. Let certain people know. Yeah, there's a bottle for it.
Bro, Sanji. Once I saw a GTP not move for 1 week straight.
GTP, oh?
Yeah.
1 week.
1 week
We're
straight.
pretty calm, bro. We have recorded for almost 3 months, man. Yeah, and you know how it was? Fucking perfect place. No, what did you say?
GTP, Green Tree Python.
Where?
In Jerry Martin's farm.
Bro, no. Don't go by those records. No. If you say MVP, which is a Malabar pit viper, then I would say. Because then that's natural. In captivity, bro, my snake's not eaten in the last 6.5 months. 1 week and all is nothing. You get it? You give them a perfect condition. Anything like the carpet pythons or the blood pythons from UK, you can put them into a freezer for 6 months. So, yeah, exactly. So, cotton farms and stuff, that's just like sometimes for management, and they would go. And 1 week is nothing for a snake. You put them under a heat pad, then fucking you shit out that day, and the next day morning they'll eat it. So that is a trick which is used by the breeders. Why would I feed you when you would only come into a breeding season in the whole of 12 months for 2 months in a year? That's when I'm going to feed you. You get it? I don't want to keep you healthy throughout. So I would rather put you in a cold space, not give you enough heat, so you don't metabolize, and then you stay with your heartbeat like this for the next 15-20 days without losing a gram.
Can't
Oh,
compare
we
one.
are going left though. But we can take a left here.
Oh, fucking this is a crazy.
Bro, the